Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. It's been a rocky week. So for the Defiance ETF funds for this week, I had to make some adjustments from last week's data for IWMY, JEPY, and QQQY. I think, as everybody knows, they did the 1-for-3 reverse stock split. So last week's data had to adjust it. But I think even with the adjustment, I think everything looks okay data wise. Unfortunately, it means like for example IWMY, no surprise there. It's down like 8% for the week. JPY is down around 10% this week, and QQQY is down about a little over 8% this week as well. I guess the only plus side is that if you notice on the options line for each one, like for example IWMY, you'll notice like the credit collected for like the coming day on Monday. It's definitely a lot higher. In fact, it's almost double. And then similarly for JPY and QQQY, you'll notice like a noticeable bump up in terms of like premium collected. So that's probably the only good thing that I can say happened this week. And then scrolling down to the bottom, you'll also notice that Trez has been completely eliminated since it was delisted last week. So hopefully people were able to get out. So then the next three is going to be SPYT, USOY, and QQQT. So for SPYT and QQQT, you notice like the change. It's not as dramatic. It's down like 3% and 4% respectively for the week. So they're holding up relatively well, all things considering. And then USOY was also rocked, I guess, like because of recession fears. So this is also down like like a whopping like 9% as well. So I wish I had better news, but I think like the format will kind of go back to normalish next week in terms of like format and data and everything, since like the QQQY, IWMY, JPY will be kind of like fully adjusted for like the week's data for the reverse stock split. So thank you for watching. Hope people like and subscribe, and hope next week will be better trading wise. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.